everyone, welcome back to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. Today we are diving into something super interesting, topographical maps. If you've ever wondered how with the help of the maps we can understand the features, the shapes of the landforms like the plateaus, plains, rivers, you are at the right place. Let us explore how to read topographical maps and also understand that why they are so important. First, let us understand what is a topographical map. A topographical map is a particular type of map that uses the contour lines to show and represent height and shape of different landforms. These lines tell us about the height and shape of different landforms like hills, valleys, plateaus, plains. Each contour line represents a specific elevation. The closer the lines are to each other, it means that the terrain is steeper, and the more lines are apart from each other, it means that the landform is relatively flatter. So see, simple, right? Steep hills have tightly packed up contours, while the flat areas have contours which are spaced out. Now let us understand some of the key features of the contour lines. The first one is contour intervals. The contour intervals basically show the vertical distance between adjacent contours. It is shown at the bottom of the map. For example, a particular topographical map which has the contour interval of 10 meters indicates that the contours are spaced at a 10-meter interval away from each other. The next one is index contours. Every few lines you will notice that there is a thick line. This line is called as the index contour. The index contour has the particular contour height written in it, and without reading each of the contour lines one by one, just by reading this index contour we can get to understand the height of a particular place. Next we come to the contour line rules. Contour lines never cross each other. They form closed loops even if the part of the loop is off the map. Now let us put this knowledge into use to read and understand an actual topographical map. Notice that in this topographical maps there is a set of concentric contour lines, and the contours start getting smaller and smaller as they approach the top. This tells us that this land is rising, and the particular point which is at the top is a single line representing the peak of the mountain. Over here we have a river valley. See how the contour line has formed a V shape. That's because the water has eroded the land, which has created this pattern. Why do we need a topographical map? They are incredibly useful for the outdoors. Now you must be wondering that when exactly do we use these topographical maps? The topographical maps are used mainly for the outdoor activities like hiking. They are also essential for the geologists, for the engineers and the urban planners who, with the help of this, assess a particular land. Here's a few quick tips to be able to read the topographical maps like a pro. Number 1, always check the legend for the symbols and the contour intervals. Number 2, always identify the index contours to understand the elevation of a particular land. Number 2, look for the index contour to easily identify the elevation. Number 3, pay attention to how closely spaced or far apart spaced are the contour lines from each other to understand the elevation and height of the land. And finally, practice. The more you will use these topographical maps, the better you will get at it. And that's a wrap on topographical maps. If you like this video, make sure you put a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share it with your friends.